Get a feel for the 2020 Audi Q5. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This quietly sophisticated Q5 delivers top-quality design, luxurious comfort, and confidence-inspiring capability. Prepare to fall in love with its solid feel and high-tech safety and connectivity features. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, heated mirrors, fog lamps, power liftgate, power passenger seat, alarm, electronic stability control, heated front seat, steering wheel audio controls. Explore your world in comfort and style in this delightful Q5. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.